Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up recurring payments in your Stripe account. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the product catalog section. This is where you create the services or items you want to sell. Now click on Add Product. You will see a form where you can enter the details of your service. Start by typing the name of your product. Make sure the name is clear so customers understand what they are paying for. You can also upload an image if you want. This is optional, but it can help your page look more professional. Next, add a short description that explains what the service includes. Scroll down to the pricing section. Under the pricing model, select Recurring. After selecting Recurring, choose the billing frequency. You can set it to daily, weekly, monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or yearly. Pick the option that matches your business model. Next, enter the amount you want to charge for each billing cycle. Then choose the correct currency. Double-check the price before moving forward. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the product. Now click on Create Payment Link. Stripe will generate a unique URL. You can copy this link and send it to your customers. When they open the link, they can enter their payment details and subscribe to your service. Thanks for watching.